All yours. Go ahead. Welcome.
It's all mine. It's all mine. We're talking about some DWG. It's a thick or thin welding wire, so it's an 045. It does work for an 035. You save $5–6 a pound by not drawing it down. So it replaces TIG welding. Can do 16 gauge, 14 gauge, 12. A little thicker, a little easier setup.
With the 045.
With the 045. Some people look at you like you're kind of crazy until you actually do it. But you don't drag with slag on the 16 gauge. You gotta push it, or then drag it. And then that same wire, you can crank it up and do 28 volts and 200 amps to do your 1/4-inch fillets. So it's a thick or thin.
That's nice.
Yeah.
I think I tried welding with it last year.
Did you?
4 years ago when you were here, I tried to whatever wire you had.
Yeah.
And I ended up needing some for a stainless job, and I called, and since I don't do a whole lot of stainless, it wasn't worth it for me to buy the wire.
Yeah.
But with what I welded, man, I was like amazed. I forget what it was. Maybe it's
Flux core is a little bit more forgiving. I mean, I just put a little weld down here, right? I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's just a little tiny weld. I think we're at 23 volts, 200 wire feet speed, and yeah, it just makes a little tiny fillet.
well, a lot of stainless.
Just listening and watching, man. Trying to learn.
Listen and watch.
Yeah.
Nice, nice.
It's very good wire.
Yeah.
Yeah, everyone's like, it's good as Kobelco. Never quite as good as ours.
If you,
I mean, a kid did this and he didn't even know what he was doing, right? Pretty good for a first time welder.
I'd say.
nice color too.
Yeah, the color match is pretty good. I mean, this is just carbon, and I just did stainless on carbon.
Do you have any small sample reels?
I can get you one.
Yeah, that'd be awesome, man.
Do you have a card or anything?
Yeah, I actually don't. I can write my information.
Yeah, write your info on here, and I'll.
I'm a high school teacher over in New Jersey.
Okay.
How you like the Lincoln machine?
I don't mind this Lincoln machine. The only problem I'm having troubles with is I got a big voltage drop because they're using 100 foot of cable.
Oh,
So
I looked at I was over there and I seen all the cables coming out of the wall in the building.
Yeah, so I'm losing about 4 volts.
They got a lot of juice coming out of there.
Yeah, but I'm still making it work. Awesome.
Thank you.
And then what? You want to see the DWG stuff, the thick or thin?
Yeah. That'd be cool.
308 cool?
Yeah.
Okay. Take a catalog because it's got all the parameters. I think it's page 12. Let's see if I'm right. Nope, not 12. Page 11.
Okay.
So that'll be your parameters to start welding with.
Sure.
And then if you do 16 gauge, you want to push it, not pull it.
Okay.
Or don't drag it.
Yeah.
Go the other way.
Right.
And then if you ever, this one's really unique too. It's a flux core TIG rod. You don't have to purge it anymore with inert gas.
Really?
So you tap the end, vacuum it out, put your inert gas. You don't have to do that anymore. You make a little keyhole weld, drop your electrode right in that keyhole. You get a little slag on the inside of the on the face and on the root. So that's how you
awesome.
prevent your sugaring.
That's pretty cool.
It's unique. No one else has got anything like that.
Now that's an invention worth having.
Yeah.
Yeah, especially the 2–3 hour setup time.
Does it leave a slag that you Does it leave a slag that
Oh,
you
it
have
has
to
to
check off?
because the whole point of the purging is so you have an inert environment. You don't need an inert environment.
Right.
The slag protects it from the atmosphere, and you just make a normal TIG weld, and away you go.
That's awesome. Thanks for your time.
Yeah.
Have a good afternoon.
Will do.
Yeah.
Yep. Thank you, sir.
No problem. Have a great